G'day legends. Well, today I'm doing a little bit of an advanced learning session for you. It's still not totally difficult. There's certain ingredients you won't always find, like galangal, which you can get bottled. Everything else is pretty standard. Black pepper, coriander seeds. I'll put the measurements on the screen. Garlic, seeded chillies. We have red onion, and we have macadamias.
You can actually hear it gliding away.
If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can put it into a sandwich bag and smash with a rolling pin. Okay, so we're just going to tip that back into our blender.
A lot smoother now.
A lot better. It's going to throw pretty much galangal. It is fairly tough, so you do need to cut it quite a bit smaller. Right, so you can see we've got a galangal chopped fairly fine. It is fairly rough, so unless you've got very sharp blades, you're going to struggle. Just our ginger. Doesn't have to be quite as... ginger's so much softer. We're not looking for anything special. Just roughly chop. And in. Garlic. You don't even have to chop the garlic, really. No. Garlic in. Onion. Probably just a little bit. Just in quarters. Then we're going to throw 50 grams of chillies in there. We've got 100 grams of macadamias. And that all seems very strange, especially macadamias. But it does ask for candle nuts, but good luck finding candle nuts anywhere soon. Throw it all in. And wait a while. You're going to have to push it down occasionally because, trust me, it's worth the wait. Okay, so it does look a little dry, but it will loosen up. Just push it all down and do it again. Okay, you know you're starting to get somewhere when it actually starts to, look at that. It did look dry, but don't add any moisture. No liquid, nothing. Just wait. So, when I said magic happens, look at that. There's probably enough there for about 6 rendangs. We put that in sandwich bags, and you can freeze it for up to about a year, which we do all the time, and it's perfectly fine. Tastes no different. 100 grams, sorry. 100 grams.
It's 100 grams.
Yep.
So it's going to put 100 grams into each bag.